Welcome to our guide on 2 legitimate apps that pay real PayPal money. By using both, you can earn over $170 a day. Intrigued so far? Stick around until the end of this video as we discover these legit apps earning you money online. Let's dive into the details. Step 1. Visit honeygain.com. As you can observe, I've already accumulated more than $65 from using this particular application solely through passive income. This method stands out as one of the most effective ways to generate income online without active involvement. By following the detailed steps outlined in this video, you too can earn these earnings that you see on your screen at this moment. The application is known as honeygain.com, a platform designed to help users earn money effortlessly by leveraging their unused internet bandwidth. Step 2. Understanding the usage of Honeygain. I'll show you real proof of me withdrawing money from the Honeygain app. It works everywhere in the world, so anyone can use it to earn money. Honeygain operates as a passive income app where you can earn money by simply sharing your unused internet data. This means you can make real money without actively doing anything besides having the app running. While it won't make you wealthy overnight, it's perfect for covering those small recurring expenses like your monthly subscriptions for services such as Netflix, Spotify, or YouTube Premium. What's even better is that when you sign up for Honeygain today, you'll receive a $3 sign-up bonus completely free of charge. To begin, all you need to do is visit the official Honeygain website and complete the sign-up process. Once you've successfully logged into your Honeygain account, you'll notice that your dashboard reflects a $3 sign-up bonus that has been credited to your account. Currently, my own account shows earnings totaling $65, accumulated from regular usage of the Honeygain app. Today, I'm excited to walk you through the process of withdrawing these earnings live. To initiate a withdrawal, simply navigate to the Request Payout section within the app. From there, you'll be prompted to select your preferred method for receiving your earnings. Honeygain offers 2 main options: PayPal and JumpTask. While PayPal is widely recognized and convenient, it does come with a 15% withdrawal fee. On the other hand, choosing JumpTask allows you to withdraw your earnings without any fees, making it a favorable option for many users. After selecting PayPal as my withdrawal method, I proceed by clicking Continue and following the straightforward instructions to confirm the withdrawal request. At this point, a 6-digit verification code is sent to the email address associated with my Honeygain account. Simply copy and paste this code into the designated field to verify the withdrawal request. I'm pleased to report that I've successfully submitted a withdrawal request for my earnings of $65 from Honeygain. The processing of this payment will be handled by Tipalti, a trusted partner, and we can expect to receive further instructions via email within the next 48 hours. This demonstration underscores how Honeygain not only provides a reliable source of passive income, but also ensures a user-friendly experience when it comes to managing and withdrawing your earnings. By leveraging your unused internet data, Honeygain offers a straightforward way to earn extra money without any hassle. There are primarily 2 approaches to earning money with Honeygain. The first method involves sharing your unused internet data. To start, download the app, select your operating system, install it on your device, and launch the app. Once installed, log into the Honeygain app to commence earning. The app utilizes your internet connection to accrue Honeybee credits, which can later be exchanged for real currency. Linking both your phone and computer to a single Honeygain account maximizes your earning potential. The more devices you connect, the greater your earnings can be. The second method is utilizing Honeygain's referral program. You can earn additional credits by inviting friends. On the referral page, you have the opportunity to receive up to 1,000 credits when your friends join Honeygain through your link. By clicking Grab Now, you'll see that each friend you refer receives a $3 sign-up bonus, while you earn 25% of their earnings for life. Moreover, if your referral makes their first withdrawal from Honeygain, you'll receive an additional 1,000 credits, equivalent to $1. To get started, simply copy your unique referral link from this page and share it with friends and family to boost your earnings with Honeygain. Looking at my referral statistics, it's clear that a significant portion of my earnings comes from these referrals. Now you may ask, is Honeygain safe to use? Well, the internet data you share with HoneyGain serves multiple purposes such as improving search engine optimization, SEO, gathering web intelligence, verifying advertisements, and delivering content, among other uses. Despite these activities, there's no need for concern about your personal data because HoneyGain operates without accessing or using it. This policy ensures that your information remains private and secure. Using HoneyGain is entirely safe, as evidenced by its trust from major antivirus software providers like Avast and Windows Defender, among others. These reputable endorsements underscore HoneyGain's reliability and security measures. With over a 4.5-star rating, HoneyGain is highly regarded by users worldwide for its integrity and effectiveness in earning passive income through internet sharing. Step 3. Visit and use FreeCash website. Now, the second app featured on our list is FreeCash.pro, offering games that you can install to earn money online. Additionally, you can complete various surveys and other offers to earn on this app. FreeCash is accessible globally, allowing users from any country to earn money. It boasts over a 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot from more than 85,000 users worldwide, establishing it as a legitimate platform for making money online. On my referral page, you can see that I have over $30 available for claiming on FreeCash. These earnings who have collectively earned over $121 on FreeCash. For example, one user from the United States has earned close to $200, while Sohan from India has earned over $46, and Denmark from the Philippines has earned over $20. Many other users have also earned more than $100 from FreeCash. To cash out your earnings from FreeCash, follow these steps. 1. Accumulate earnings. Start by earning money through various activities on the FreeCash app, such as playing games, completing surveys, and participating in offers. 2. Navigate to withdrawal section. Once you've earned enough, navigate to the withdrawal section of the FreeCash app or website. 3. Choose payment method. Select your preferred payment method. FreeCash typically offers options like PayPal, direct bank transfer, gift cards, or cryptocurrency, depending on availability in your region. 4. Enter payment details. Provide the necessary details for your chosen payment method. For example, if you opt for PayPal, enter your PayPal email address. 5. Confirm and request withdrawal. Confirm the details and submit your withdrawal request. Some methods may have minimum withdrawal limits, so ensure you meet these requirements. 6. Receive payment. Once your request is processed and approved by FreeCash, you'll receive your earnings through your chosen payment method. As we wrap up, we have learned that HoneyGain offers passive income by sharing unused internet data. Install the app, let it run, and accumulate credits for real money. It's secure, trusted by antivirus software, and offers a $3 sign-up bonus, plus a referral program, earning 25% of referrals earnings for life. Moreover, FreeCash.pro offers diverse ways to earn online: games, surveys, and offers. Cash out via PayPal, bank transfer, gift cards, or cryptocurrency. With a high Trustpilot rating, it's popular and legitimate globally. Its referral program lets users earn more by inviting friends. Now you've learned about two great platforms for earning extra income, HoneyGain and FreeCash.pro. Which method appeals to you more, earning passive income with HoneyGain or actively engaging with FreeCash.pro? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tips on maximizing your earnings. Join us on Profitability Plus for more insights on making money online.